Hello. It's a double आवाज येतोय. Hello.
Yes, madam, you are audible.
Okay.
Audible, madam.
Okay. Okay. Shall we start, sir?
Please wait, ma'am. The other participants are joined now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Bildar sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, sir.
So please see the chat box. Some messages are coming. We need to answer them after the webinar. Bildar sir.
Yes, sir.
So one of you please allow the people to join. Admit them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So shall I share my presentation?
Madam, please start.
Yes. So, good evening, all of you. I'm Prachi Dikshit, working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University, College of Engineering, Pune. I welcome you all for today's webinar on career opportunities in mechanical engineering and allied branches. The aim of this webinar series is to make students aware of career opportunities in the field of engineering, and definitely today's webinar will be helpful to all of you for shaping your future. So in today's session, HOD Mechanical Dr. KB Sutar is going to discuss opportunities in most innovative and dynamic field of mechanical engineering as well as allied branches. In his talk, he will explore an emerging trends in mechanical engineering, career path and growth opportunities in allied branches also. Also insights from industry experts, professionals tips to excel your engineering journey. To introduce our today's speaker, Dr. KB Sutar sir, he is professor and head of the Department of Mechanical and Robotics and Automation Engineering. He has completed B Mechanical from RIT Sakrare, MTech in Thermal and Fluid Engineering through GATE Mechanical Engineering from Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technical University, Lonare. He has also completed full-time PhD from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi. He has several academic achievements. He has published several research articles in high impact journals as well as conferences. His research area is in renewable energy technology. Now I'm requesting Dr. KB Sutar sir to start the session. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, madam. I welcome all students and parents for this seminar on career opportunities in mechanical engineering and allied branches. At the outset, I paid tribute to our inspiration, Honorable Dr. Patangrao Kadam Sahib, founder Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, founder Chancellor Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University Pune, and former Cabinet Minister, Government of Maharashtra. This is the brief outline of my presentation. It is divided into four parts. In the first part, I'll be explaining about the current industry scenario and the investments that are being done by the government of India in various fields of engineering. In second part, I will be focusing on the branch of mechanical engineering and its allied branches. In the third part, I will be focusing on the actual job opportunities in the state government, central government, private sector, as well as higher studies opportunities after GATE examination. And in the last part, I will be focusing on how AI is going to change the life of all engineers, not only in mechanical engineering, but in other engineering branches also. So let us start with the first part. In this slide, we'll be seeing the contribution of different sectors in gross domestic product of the country in the financial year 23-24. Service sector, the contribution was 54.72. Industry sector, it was about 28%, and remaining agriculture and allied sectors. So the Indian economy, as far as we see, it is the fifth largest economy in the world, $4.27 trillion economy, and in that economy, 55% of the contribution is from the service sector. It is huge, and industry sector is about 28%. Now, if we see the breakdown of the service sector, that means what are the different services we are providing not only to the nation but to the globe. Very important is the information technology, IT, software services, and its contribution is 8% of GDP. So major job opportunities that the software engineers get, uh, this part covers it. IT. Whenever I say IT, it will cover all computer branches, computer related branches, as well as information technology branch. Financial services cover 7% of GDP, then trade, uh, then hotel, restaurants, 11%, real estate business and all cover 11% of GDP. Here, civil engineering plays important role. Transport, storage, communication, it covers 7% of GDP. Here, mechanical engineering as well as electronics and communication engineering plays the important role. Public administration, defense and other services, 11%. Here also, the core engineering branches such as mechanical, electrical, electronics engineering play very important role. So if you see the service sector, different engineering branches also are playing important role, and more importantly, IT sector is playing important role, having 8% of GDP. Now coming to the industry sector, which contribution of which is about 28%. Here, the main contributors are manufacturing, automobiles, steel and cement, textiles and clothing, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and IT hardware. Here we are considering IT hardware. That means all computer, then electronic components, computer components, electronic semiconductor manufacturing, and energy. So these are the focus areas where 28% of the GDP comes, right? Then what exactly are the areas where the government of India has invested money in last 5 years? If we see in detail, we will see the government has taken very much a lot of initiatives. The first one is production linked incentive PLI scheme, which was started in April 2020, and they have identified 14 key sectors to enhance the domestic manufacturing or boost the domestic manufacturing. Those sectors also I'll be focusing on. Then they started Make in India, national infrastructure pipeline, ease of doing business, and as a result of all of this, the foreign direct investment has increased by 69% in manufacturing, and it is approximately $165.1 billion. Ministry of Electronics and IT has invested rupees 62,628 crores in last 5 years to enhance the electronics, semiconductors and all. So industry growth performance is about 9.5% in 23-24, and for last one decade it has approximately 5.2%. In financial year 22-23, the gross value added in the industry sector it was 14.3%, and the output share was 35.2%. At different locations I have given the sources from which I have taken all this data. These are the 14 key sectors of production link incentive scheme that was launched by the government of India in 2020. If you see them carefully, you will find them non-IT sectors, that is automobile and auto components, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, electronics, white goods, which include air conditioners, LEDs, food products, textiles. Now in textiles, along with man-made fiber, they are investing in the technical textiles also. Here the word technical textile refer to the textiles which are used for very important purposes such as making of the PP kit, then fire resistant textiles, etc. Solar PV modules, batteries, drones, specialty steel, though we are major manufacturers in mild steel, specialty steel, it is the high grade steel which is used for space, defense and power application. There also government is spending amount. Then telecom, mobile manufacturing and specified electronic components, and critical key starting materials. These are very important because during COVID and after COVID, uh, there are some of the ingredients, those are made in India, which are called as active pharmaceutical ingredients, and there also we are one of the leading countries. So in these 14 key sectors, if you see them carefully, it includes the sectors in mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, electrical engineering, and mainly electronics and communication or telecommunication engineering, along with the pharmaceuticals. Right. So these PIL schemes help to establish 1,300 manufacturing units in 27 states and in 14 sectors in last 5 years. And the job added were 9.5 lakh, and which resulted into 12.5 lakh crores of production. This is the main outcome of PLI scheme that was started by the government of India. Now, this is one more thing I want to focus today, that is present status of patenting. Because number of patents granted by any country, that shows the innovation ecosystem in that country, and how the intellectual property is being protected, and how competitive environment for the industry is there in that country. So overall advancement of the country can be measured in terms of the number of patents granted. So in 23-24, about 20 lakh patents were granted globally, and out of them approximately 45%, that means 9,20,000 patents were granted in China itself, which is 3 times that of USA, 3,15,000 patents. And in India, first time this number came, 5-digit, 6-digit number we saw. 1,03,057 patents were granted in 23-24, and then also we were the 6th globally. Okay. If we see the patenting, compare this with the resident patent to GDP ratio. So in 2013, we had this ratio 144. In 23, it is 381. And we are still at the 25th rank globally as per the patent to GDP ratio. That means a lot of work is to be done by the Indians in the patent, though a lot of changes or the advancements have been made in last 10 years. Now, let us see what are the areas in which all these patents were granted last year. So, incidentally, about half the patents were granted in electrical and related fields. This is very important thing to be noted. 37,714 patents were granted in mechanical and related fields. About 12,000 patents were granted in chemical sciences and related fields, and 3,576 patents were granted in biotechnology and related fields. So from this, you can see in last 75 years, what are the areas which are been the strengths of this country: electrical engineering and related. That means it might be covering electronics also, mechanical and related fields. It might be covering robotics and robotics, etc. Chemical, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals is there. So in the related field, right, there might be information technology, though directly IT related patents are not seen here as the granted, because 20% of the applications were there from the IT, but the number is not seen. This source I have taken from Times of India, dated 15th of March 2023. So from this you can see all core branches where there is a lot of scope for innovations, and there is a lot of spending that is being done by the government of India. So let us see the job profile of IT sector in last 10 years. Before that, we need to see this figure. AICT approved engineering institutions in India are 1,346 till the last year, and intake capacity of 4,39,000. If we approximately see it as 4 lakh, then also in 4 years, it comes out to be about 16 lakh. So here the number written about 12 to 15 lakh students graduate every year, because there are dropouts also. So this number comes out to be 12 lakh to 15 lakh. Now, among the 12 to 15 lakh, about 50% are from computer and related branches. And if you see the jobs, those are being offered to the IT related students, they are on an average 2 lakh to 3 lakh. In 22-23, there was surge uh, for 4 lakh, and again in 23-24 that dipped to 0.6 lakh. Okay, so these are the authentic numbers given by the big players. There might be some small companies or startup companies, so the number might be higher. But what it shows is, to get the jobs in IT sector is also not so easy in present times. Now this number has dipped to 0.6. The reason here written as the slowdown in IT sector job attributed to factors such as post-pandemic overhiring. Lot of hiring was done there, and the integration of AI technology. So AI has come. So due to fear, the companies might have not taken the IT people, but this situation is most likely to change, because AI has not taken away the jobs, but there are a lot of opportunities AI is given. So I'm going to focus on that slide also. So no need to worry. Only thing I want to tell here, key to get the jobs in IT sector, also the student need to have the extra abilities, capabilities, the skill sets needs to be enhanced or improved. Now, these are some of the articles in recent newspapers. Very famous personality V. Ram Gopal Rao, former director of IIT Delhi. He has written engineering just not about computer science and IT. Can we stop this mad rush? There are other articles also where we can see 19% enhancement in the vehicles. Then Adani's are investing about 8 lakh crores uh, in next 10 years in energy sector and scope of mechanical engineering and other branches. So what Dr. V. Ram Gopal Rao want to say is, along with IT, yes, there are jobs in IT, but you need to select the other fields also, because the country needs other types of engineers also. The innovations are happening in other fields also, and there also the talented people are required. And that is what he is telling. He do not rush only to computer and IT. Yes, definitely there are jobs, but the competition is increasing day by day. And in that case, you can opt for the other branches, because as I told you, the government is spending a lot of money in other branches, and there are a lot of opportunities, innovations are happening there. Then the private sector also is investing in the energy sector. When we say energy sector, so there again mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, then electronics and communication engineering, as well as chemical engineering, civil engineering, they come into picture along with the computer and IT. See, computer and IT is by default, it is part of every branch. Keep in mind, computer and IT will be there in every branch. I will be giving the example for that also. So what exactly is engineering? It is all about providing optimal and sustainable solution to the society's needs. So society's needs are of all types. Society needs the applications or the solutions in terms of environment. They need the solutions in terms of industry. They need solution in terms of IT, AI, ML, etc. So the engineers are supposed to provide solution to all these problems, and that is why all fields of engineering are equally important as that of computer and IT. Coming to mechanical engineering, this is one of the oldest branch of engineering, having the history of more than 4,000 years. Here we use the principles of physics, mathematics, and material science, and it will not be exaggeration to say that every man-made thing on the earth involves directly or indirectly the principles of mechanical engineering. Many a times people use jugaad kind of things for making some mechanisms, but there also some principles of mechanical engineering are indirectly used. Mechanical engineering is mainly divided into four categories: design engineering, thermal engineering, manufacturing, material science engineering, and allied branches of engineering. And in allied branches of engineering, major component is robotics and automation is there, nanotechnology is there, etc. So these are the allied fields of mechanical engineering, where mechanical engineering along with the other branches, they work together. Aerospace engineering is there, automobile engineering, mechatronics is there, mechanical and electronics. Then industrial engineering is there, marine engineering, energy engineering, biomedical engineering, civil engineering. Here in civil engineering, the concepts in the engineering mechanics, then strength of machine components, these all concepts of civil engineering are further used in mechanical engineering or engineering design. Then nanotechnology, which we can say the part of nanoscience, material science, nano composites. Again, it is the part of the manufacturing engineering. Then petroleum engineering also is allied branch of mechanical engineering, which is basically comes under chemical engineering. These are some of the job profiles in mechanical industry. Research and development engineer, they are actually responsible for the patents. Those have been granted in this field of mechanical engineering. Then design engineer, they designs the component. Then industrial engineer, they actually gives the schedule or the target to the production engineer ki how much components need to be uh, produced or how much component need to be manufactured by the production engineer. So industrial engineering is very important branch of mechanical engineering. Then quality control, to control the quality or to maintain the quality of the component, quality control engineer plays important role. Then maintenance engineer, maintenance of machinery, it might be preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, breakdown maintenance, scheduled maintenance, all types of maintenance they are performed by the maintenance engineer. Technical sales engineer, he has lot of technical knowledge and he uh, has the portfolio of the sales engineer. Marketing engineer, he conducts the surveys, then market analysis, and accordingly what changes need to be done in the product. Those inputs are given to technical sales engineer, and through them they are given to design and research and development engineer, so that lot of innovations and improvements are there continuously happening in the mechanical industry. And the last one is entrepreneur. Every mechanical engineer can become entrepreneur, because in every field, as I mentioned, design engineering, manufacturing engineering, there is lot of scope for entrepreneurship. There are the job opportunities in government sector. In government sector, the for jobs, though they are considered to be the most secure job, the number of vacancies are limited. So in that case, at least 1 to 2 years rigorous studies are required there for getting the jobs in government sector. So these are some of the popular government sectors. Railway Recruitment Board is there, Staff Selection Commission, DMRC, DRDO, NTPC, ISRO, BARC, okay, SAIL, BHEL, GAIL, IOCL, BPSC. These are all sectors where the mechanical engineers can get the job. Along with mechanical, there are job opportunities in these sectors for civil engineers, then chemical engineers, electrical engineers, electronics and communication engineer also. Now, the public sector undertakings, there are 4 types of public sector undertakings where mechanical and allied branches can opt for the jobs. Maharatna PSUs, 16 companies are there in India. Navratna PSUs, there are 19 companies. Mini Ratna and state level PSUs, these are 601 in all different states. So PSUs mainly recruit the uh, mechanical as well as the core branch students through GATE examination, graduate aptitude test in engineering. So I will recommend every student must appear at least once or twice for this examination. Now, these examinations are conducted by Indian Institute of Technology or IISCs. And every year this examination is conducted in the month of February. So the forms you will get in the month of, I think, September or October. Okay. And this examination covers whole of the syllabus of that particular engineering branch, along with engineering mathematics, and quantitative aptitude also is there. 100 marks paper, 3 hours paper is there. Rigorous studies are required, because this will cover all main courses or core courses of that particular branch. And all PSUs give recruitment through GATE examination. Here I have given one example. Top PSUs, they are recruiting this year through GATE examination. All these PSUs are recruiting through GATE exam. So all top GATE scorers go for these PSUs. Then the second range of the scorers, they go for IITs. Now there is one important sent, career service that has been started by the government of India, Ministry of Labor and Employment in 2020. So please note it down: www.ncs.gov.in. This is very important site. Every student must register for this. If you create your profile, if you fill there what are the skill sets you have, so immediately on submission of your form, you are getting the different job opportunities in private sector as well as government sector. So here, job seekers, employers, career counselors, training providers, and placement organizations, they all are there at single platform, and this whole service is free of cost. So key features are job matching and placement, career counseling, skill development and training, government and private job listing is there, online offline job fairs are there, resume building and career advice is given, and support for special groups, differently abled individuals, women, senior citizens also, they get the suitable jobs on this national career service portal. So this is designed to make the job searches efficient, transparent, and accessible for all citizens of India. Some statistics: 22-23, approximately 3.57 million vacancies were registered, and this job portal has listed 10.9 million jobs in 23-24. Again, this is threefold increase from the previous financial year, as highest since its launch in 2015. So you must take advantage of this national career service. There is one more initiative that was taken by All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE, along with Intern Shala, a private firm. They had signed MOU on 24th of April 2017, and here also I will recommend the students must register for, and this is mainly for the internship. They are free internship, paid internship, and there are the placements also are happening through the internship to the students. So here are also some of the statistics. Till November 2024, this Internshala portal has facilitated over 54 lakh internship to the students. And on this portal, more than 75,000 companies have registered. Okay, they are partners of this Internshala, and the major players such as Google, Microsoft, TCS, etc. also are there on this platform. Okay, so the students must take advantage of all this. I have given the reference also for all this data here. So two things I told you: AICT Internshala I told you, and also I told you regarding this National Career Service. Now, through GATE examination, students can go for higher studies also. So, as I told, the top students will go for the jobs in PSUs. Then second level GATE scorers, they will go for MTech and MS in IITs, NITs, IISCs, etc. And depending on your GATE score, you can get admission in post graduation in all AICTE approved institutions across India. So one thing you must know here, the government of India is giving monthly stipend of rupees 12,700 to all GATE scorers. They have valid GATE score and they have taken admission to the master's program in the AICTE approved institution. That might be private institution, that might be government institution, any institution. If you take admission and if you have valid GATE score, you are getting that scholarship. So that means the government is promoting for the higher studies. This is very important point to be noted here. So there are some foreign universities also. They are giving admission to the MS as well as MTech through GATE examination in Singapore and Germany. These are the universities, right? So after GATE examination, there are some of the organizations, they are providing opportunity directly to PhD also to high GATE scorers, and those have their very good skills or fundamentals in engineering. State government jobs also are there for the mechanical engineering students through MPSC. The jobs are there. Okay, and Maharashtra Rail or Metro Rail Corporation also provides job to the students. As far as mechanical is concerned, you have job opportunities directly through MPSC. You have job opportunities in the PWD. Then irrigation department, job opportunities are there. Some of the top companies, those hired mechanical engineering graduates in 23-24 are listed here. All top companies related to the automotive sector and other manufacturing sector, they are listed here. So this list is only limited list. There might be other companies also, they are not listed, but they have hired mechanical engineers, and the roles are mainly in manufacturing, IT related consultancy services, aerospace, and other engineering services. There are some jobs of interdisciplinary roles for mechanical engineers. So these are the PSUs. They had done recruitment for of mechanical engineers in 23-24. As I mentioned, mainly they are taking the mechanical engineers through GATE scores. So this slide is important. These are some private IT companies. They have hired engineering graduates. I told you, not only mechanical. So all branch students, they have been hired by these branches, and eligibility is open to all engineering disciplines. Though the preferred branches are computer science, electronics and communication engineering, and information technology, but these job roles are offered to all branch students. So if you see any engineering college, so more than 50% of the companies, they are coming for mean from IT sector, they offer job to all engineers. So branch does not matter here. What exactly are the skill sets you people are having, such as software development, IT consulting, system engineer, digital transformation, cloud computing, AI, ML. These are the job roles offered, and the process for recruitment is online tests, then coding round, and technical and HR interviews. So in all branches, there are one or two programming softwares. They are always taught in the engineering colleges, so that you will get jobs, because in IT sector you require the knowledge of other engineering branches also. And give going for that one of the case studies, you will find it. So future effects of AI on careers in mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering now is changing. Previously, it was found to be very hard and tough branch, but now due to the introduction of AI, there are some positive impacts such as CAD, FEA, predictive maintenance, and robotics. These are the field where high demand for AI integrated skills are there. Hybrid roles are there, merging with AI. Mechanical and electronics are merging together as mechatronics. Then data science is being used in mechanical engineering. Then improved productivity is happening due to use of AI in repetitive tasks, to reduce these repetitive tasks. Then more focus is done on innovations. Emerging fields such as smart manufacturing, sustainable design, and AI powered automation are some of the positive impacts. There are some challenges for mechanical engineers also. You need to uh, automate, make automation out of the routine tasks. Then reskilling is required for the mechanical engineers. There is high competition, so you require to enhance your skills. And the key areas those need to focus by the engineers are AI driven CAD and generative design, IoT and smart systems, data analysis, AI based decision making, sustainability, and green technology. So if we see the long term uh, careers in mechanical engineering, so you need to integrate your skills with AI, so that you will not struggle. And AI is not tool, it is a tool, not to threat. You adopt it and ensure long term success in mechanical engineering. These are some AI driven future jobs in mechanical engineering. So without AI also the jobs are there as a design engineer. But now the design engineering will be driven by AI driven design engineering. Similarly, robotic system engineer, predictive maintenance engineer, digital twin specialist, autonomous systems engineer, sustainable design engineer, manufacturing process and AI engineer, mechatronics and AI integration, AI powered heating, ventilation, air conditioning, HVAC engineer, additive manufacturing, that is 3D printing specialist, smart materials and AI engineer, AI enhanced supply chain engineer, vehicle electrification and AI specialist, AI augmented testing and quality control engineer. So basically, traditionally, all these jobs are there in mechanical engineering. Only thing, each of these job profile is to be integrated with the skill sets of AI. So this is one case study I have taken at the end of this today's presentation. So this is one article in Daily Sakal dated 15th of March 2025. 3 4 days back, you might have read this article, the AI in agriculture. Okay. So the produce or the productivity of the agriculture sector that can be enhanced by 2 to 3 times if we integrate the AI skill sets. And this experiment has successfully been done in last 12 13 months, and as a result of this experiment they have written this article, and now they are going to use this for 1,000 uh, agricultural sectors. Okay. So now when I studied this one, I found the what exactly these people are doing when you are using AI in agriculture means what are the different branches of engineering they are taking part in this. As I mentioned you, without computer and IT, there will not a single branch of engineering. So every branch is there, but without integration of computer programming, IT skills, this will incomplete in future. So that is what this article says. If you see AI in agriculture, so use of AI in agriculture is closely related to multiple branches of engineering. First one, computer science and software engineering, where you have used your skills to develop AI algorithms for crop yield prediction, disease detection, and automated decision making. Then mechanical engineering, obviously, there are some components there. There are some moving things there. So making of these components, mechanical engineering is required. AI powered agriculture robots for planting, weeding, harvesting, then autonomous tractors and machinery using AI for efficient field operations, predictive maintenance for farm equipment, smart irrigation system for adjusting water usage based on AI. So along with computer science, mechanical engineering also plays important role here. Electrical and electronics engineering also playing role because you are using the sensors. IoT is integrated with the sensors. AI enhanced drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are used for crop monitoring and spraying of medicines there, pesticides there. Civil and environmental engineering also is there. AI driven models are used for sustainable land use planning and soil erosion control, smart water management using AI to predict the droughts and optimization of the irrigation, AI assisted greenhouse climate control for optimal crop growth is. Then biotechnology and agricultural engineering also is used. Data science and AI engineering, again specialized branch of computer science is used. So here each branch of engineering is playing important role when you are integrating AI in agriculture. So when you will be integrating AI in every field, then similarly this interdisciplinary approach is going to help us in the future advancements in all fields, all sectors, not only agriculture, in manufacturing also, in service sectors also. This AI is going to play important role. And with this, I finish my presentation. Thank you so much for patience listening.
Any questions from participants? Please raise your hand so that we can unmute. or you can send it on chat box also. Any question? Yes, I
There is
think.
one hand raised. If possible, please unmute him, Professor Beldar. Else, take the question in chat box. Hello, Beldar sir.
Yes.
There was one hand raised. Can you check it?
Yes. I have unmuted him.
See, there is one question in the chat box. Can you suggest what computer IT knowledge a student should acquire during MSCET result and joining mechanical engineering? There is 2 months gap. Okay. This is very important question actually. Once the MSCET result, means MSCET examination, you have already appeared for. So no need to wait for the result. Once you have appeared for, mainly you can go for any programming language. So presently, the people refer to the Python programming language. You go for it and get at least the basics of Python programming. Okay. So once you get knowledge or acquire knowledge of that programming language, one of the programming language, because in curriculum of many universities, again advanced features of this programming language are there. But if the student initially itself, if he or she is knowing some basics, so it will be very helpful to him or her. One thing, programming language such as the Python. And second, if he or she is focusing on mechanical engineering, then he or she must go for the professional software, that is Autodesk, AutoCAD. If you get some classes on AutoCAD, that also will be helpful, because in mechanical engineering first year generally AutoCAD is taught, 2D and 3D AutoCAD. Then in second year, some solid modeling features are taught through SolidWorks or CATIA, ProE programming. These softwares are taught. Then in third year and final year, the simulation software such as the ANSYS, then your other simulation software such as in sorry along with ANSYS, there are some other simulation softwares also there. Those are also taught in the universities. So prior to coming to engineering, one programming language such as Python programming and one professional software, that is AutoCAD, they are sufficient, I think. There is one more question in the chat box. What branch of engineering student is expected to take for designing and development, particularly in automotive sector? So the best branch is, I can say, mechanical engineering, because all design concepts starting from engineering mechanics, then strength of machine components, machine design, system design, those are all basics of automotive design. They are all taught in mechanical engineering. Then there are minor degree programs also, especially for automotive uh, engineering. But taking mechanical engineering as the basic branch and taking minor degree in automotive, that will be more helpful to the particular students in mechanical engineering, along with the core subjects such as these design engineering. Some of the automotive related elective courses are also taught, so those courses also student can opt for. So the best branch for such student is definitely mechanical engineering. Then one more question is there. Can you suggest any particular institute or course? So definitely, as I told you, we will suggest our Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be University College of Engineering, Pune. This has long history of 40 years to this college. This is one of the oldest engineering institution in Pune. After COEP, this number of this institution comes only thing as we are deemed to be university, and that too more than 25 years are passed after being part of deemed university. As we are not part of this MSCET, many people are not knowing the credentials of this institution. This has been continuously ranked in top 100. This university has been ranked continuously for last 8 years in top 100 universities in India, and this institution has been ranked among top 100 by many ranking agencies. So I will suggest our institution, and as far as the program is concerned, definitely the as in this presentation I had talked regarding almost all branches. So the decision remains with the parents and the students, but very wise decision needs to be taken, because in my presentation I told definitely there are jobs for IT, but when 50% or more students are going to that, so again the saturation one day it is going to come, and the opportunities are reducing in that case because of very high competitive competition there. So in that case, and if you go for any of the branch, finally you can indirectly go to computer and IT, because in every branch computer IT related courses, it is must for all of us, because after introduction of National Education Policy 2020, we all have to change our curriculum, and we had changed actually. We have integrated this AI, ML, AI, DS, all these as minor degree programs in our curriculum. Means along with one major degree, you can definitely go take this one. And as I mentioned, any branch that is incomplete with the knowledge of AI and ML or AI and DS. So definitely, if 80% of the knowledge you are taking for that major branch, so you need to take some time out of it, and 20% knowledge you need to take for these AI related skill sets. So that is why minor degree programs also are being floated in the universities. In our university also, we have floated 16 minor degree programs. So one more is there for IT courses before joining your college. For IT courses also, as I mentioned, at least one programming language. It might be C, C++, Python programming, it might be Java programming. So at least one programming language is required, and the student must learn in such a way that he or she will be master in that programming. Okay, not only preliminary knowledge. In one day you cannot become the master. Okay, you need to spend number of hours, 100 hours, 1,000 hours, 5,000 hours on one thing, then only you will become master there. Okay. So in any institute, if you take admission, so you need to have that mastery in one of the programming languages. Then only a lot of other things will become easier for that particular student. Okay. Anything else is there? By which examination we can get into your institute, JE or CET? I'm sorry, as we are deemed to be university, we conduct our own CET, right? So our faculty members, they will share with you in the chat box regarding information regarding this. So our admission rounds will be conducted through our own CET, neither JE nor CET, and registration date and all, they will be shared with you by our faculty members. Beldar sir, in the chat box, please share all these details. So this has been shared here. You can see in the chat box. and you can contact our team there. Definitely, they will provide you the information regarding this. Vendar sir, what is the last date for registration? You can see 30th May 2025 is last date to apply for the CET, and date of examination is 8th June. So that's all from my side, madam.
Yes, thank you, sir, for your knowledgeable session. I thanks to Principal also Dr. Rajesh Prasad sir for helping and encouraging us in arranging today's webinar. I also thank Vice Principal sir Dr. Sachin Chavan sir and Dr. Sunita Zadav ma'am for their support and motivation. All the faculty from Mechanical Engineering Department, and thank you all participants for your patience listening. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at the number display on the slide. So we are ending the session here. That's all for today. Thank you and good night.
Yes, thank you so much and good night.
Sir, there was one question in chat box. They are asking for presentation.
We can share this presentation. No issues.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.